Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make an Instagram or a Facebook post on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then go to your home page and slide to the right side at the top of the screen till you find the social media button and tap on it. Now you should click on either Facebook or Instagram posts that you want to create and tap on the see all button in the right side of the screen to check out all of the available templates. Tap on a relevant one that you want to use, and after that you should wait till it's loaded, and here you can tap on the text that you want to delete and then type in your own text. Like this. You can of course change the font. You can change the font size, the color of the text, the format, so you can make it bold, italicize it, underline it. You can do the spacing, letter spacing, and you can add effects to it. You can add animation like this. You can position it within the screen, and you can add elements to it and pictures too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.